An update to the pool noodle and yoga block fix for these annoying windows. So this is what it would look like normally. Yoga blocks and noodles no longer needed. Here's the fix. Modified a U-channel and a section of plastic board, very lightweight but very strong. Attached the U-channel to the screws. Inserted the board. It is now very rigid, very secure. Impossible to hit your back on these sharp edges now, whether you're sitting or you're lying. It's very strong, provides very secure backing, both sides.
Hi, I'm a Stickler-ish. I own a 2021 Hélio O-2. Correct me, but I believe the pronunciation is Hélio. Hélio is an ultralight trailer manufacturer in Quebec. The Hélio O-Series are lightweight but strong. They're awesome as is, but they're also a perfect platform for the creative, capable, and courageous. I encourage you to read about them at HélioVR.com, and if you're interested, join the Hélio RV Trailers group on Facebook. It's a great users information exchange and a platform for sharing innovative ideas. Also consider checking back or subscribing to this Stickler-ish channel. I've made quite a few modifications to my O2 and I'm planning more. I hope you find my videos interesting and helpful. Maybe they'll help with your own ideas. This short video shows how you can deal with those simple but useful factory curtains, those pesky and sometimes painful window handles, and how to get comfortable with the seat back cushions. The factory included curtains are bare bones, but functional. I attached mine along the top of the metal window frame. Clean it first with rubbing alcohol. Here's how I open the curtains. Rest each tie strap along the outer edges, then grab each corner and roll it up with your fingers. Takes a bit of coordination but gets super easy after a few times. And as a bonus, it's good exercise for your fingers. When you get to the top, tie each end with a simple bow. This is referred to as a simple bow technique because it only knots the loops. Seems like a lot of effort, but closing the curtains is a snap. To protect yourself from the window handle, use a short length of pool noodle and split it lengthwise halfway through. I use a piece of shim as a wedge to keep the window locked open. There are many things you can use, but don't wait until you accidentally bump it and get skewered before you find something to use. A simple way to stabilize your backrest is to use a couple inexpensive yoga blocks behind the cushion. Flip them around for a stable and comfortable reclined backrest. As a bonus, you can use the blocks to continue practicing your asanas while out camping. Leave a comment if you have any questions, or would like to share how you may have addressed these topics differently. Until next time, remember, read the manual.